what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Bellyache by Billie Eilish. This is a cool song because it's simple chords, but we gotta work that right hand. So it's a good practice and it's a really cool song. So we get the song is in E minor standard tuning. We got 3 chords. We got C major to start with, first finger, second finger, third finger, and then we're gonna make that an A minor. So A minor 7. So just lift up your third finger, boom, like that. And make sure you don't play the low E string when you play the C and the A. I put my thumb here on the E string to mute it. And then we have an E minor. Second finger, third finger. So let's talk about the switching, and then we're going to talk about the right hand. So we got C, 1, 2, 3, A minor, 7, 2, 3, and E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, C, A minor to E, C, A minor, and if you're a beginner, this works to play along with the song. Okay, but if we want to dig into the doing the record, it's let's start with that. So gonna add another part, so it's so we don't really want to stop. Keep doing this. And then up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 up. Get the smack in there, it's good too. This strumming is a little bit unusual. It's not something that I really heard that much. Alright, let's bring it up. The tempo. Cool, so that's the song. A good way to practice this to get your right hand up to speed is doing this. Lay your hand on the neck like that and mute muted. That's what we need. Back and forth. Bellyache. Alright, thanks folks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more great songs, and be safe. Take it easy.